Good morning, friend. This is Satyan Srivastav. Today, I would like to discuss about the business audit. Business audit is the holistic approach to understand any company or the organization thoroughly. Business audit will also include the process and the methodology about the various audits such as internal audit, statutory audit, forensic audit, ERP audit, and other system and process audit, and other the audit which management required in the due course of interval. Business audit will help to the management to understand its process and its control in a systematic manner. And the business auditor will do the audit of the various vertical or the function. He will thoroughly review the SOPs, the guidelines of the management, policy framework, and will identify is there any gap, is there any or is there any uh, non-applicability or wrong implementation of the process, or he will also understand what are the framework applicable or available within the organization are authenticate or not. As we know, the statutory auditor majorly focus about the internal accounting standard, company act, and different regulatory requirement. An internal auditor focus on the system and the process. GST auditor will focus about the purchase, sales, inventory, debtors, creditors, and the ITC, etc. And the ERP auditor focus the system which are implemented are authenticated or smooth functioning within the organization. There should not be any gap in the implementation process. By understanding and following and the various audit principle and the approach, then only the business auditor can do the justice with his job. And after completing the business audit report, the management can get the clear picture about their organization in terms of strength and weakness. This report will also help to the management to take decision where the process is weak, where the need, where the more focus needed, or where the some corrections or changes or amendment required. This is a platform. Business audit is a platform, or you can say this is a tool which can give the comfort level to the management and assure and give the assurance about the strength and weakness available within the organization. So this is the point I would like to discuss today. Hope if the professional follow the overall concept of the business audit by making the framework first, then apply, then definitely a satisfactory or remarkable result can come out after the report. The point here is the keep in mind the business auditor should keep in mind the holistic approach and integrate all the system, process, regulations, policies about the company, about the regulatory requirement, and then submit the report. Definitely, then only it will help to the management. Thank you very much.